Welcome to another episode of Azure with Danadu. Today we are looking at how to use for loops in Azure Bicep. You can use loops to define multiple copies of a resource, module, variable, property, or output. Use loops to avoid repeating syntax in your Bicep file and to dynamically set the number of copies to create during deployment. There are two types of arrays we use commonly as inputs. 1. Normal arrays just with array string values. 2. Object arrays, multiple objects with headers and values. First scenario is running off for loops with an integer value. Must is to use the integer value inside the loop too. As per the example, that value is I. When using for loop like this, we need to define a starting number. In this case, it's 0. Second scenario is using a simple array and running the for loop. And here we will have the values other than an int value. This for loop will run through all the values inside the array one by one. As per this example, each value will get called by array variable. Third scenario is an object array. We are normally this method if we need to deploy more complex type resources with multiple parameters. It's the same principle as the second one. However, I'm using calling the object headers to access the object values. Hope this explains how to use arrays in Bicep. I will catch you with the next topic soon.